How to adjust video quality settings on Facebook. If any day you are a Facebook user and you would like to adjust your video quality on the very Facebook but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. For that, you can set the Facebook application on your mobile device or manually search it. After you find the Facebook application, you have to tap on it, and then you have to go to the profile-like icon on the top side and then go to the option of the settings and privacy and tap on it. After you tap on the option of the settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the mobile data uses. After you go to the option of the mobile data uses, you have to tap on the option of the video quality, and after you tap on the option of the video quality, you have two options. Number one is optimized and number second is data saver. Now if you want to adjust videos to the network conditions, you have to go to the option of optimized, but if you would like to use up to 40% less data but reducing the video quality, you have to go to the option of the data saver. So this way, if you are on the data any day and you would like to just reduce the video quality, you can go to the option of the data saver, but if not, you can go to the option of optimize. So this is the way. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.